Hello everyone! You wanna know how to enable this tab? Everyone wants to know how to enable the community tab on your channel. It will help you a lot to grow fast, to grow subscribers, and let people know that you have a YT channel. Let's just keep on watching, and yes, without further ado, let's do it. This video is how to enable the community without reaching the 10,000 subscribers. So go to Safari, and go to www.youtube.com. Okay, so yan. It's so slow. Let's go there. YouTube. Sign in. And so I'm gonna sign in. Enter your password. Okay, and there you go. So you go to your channel, click that channel, go to settings. But before that, I'm gonna show you. I go to my channel and see, I have the community tab now. Now I have it. If you don't have this, this video is for tutorial how to enable this community. So go back, click your picture, go to feedback, and I'm not going, I will uncheck the include screenshot, and you make a message. You compose a message to YouTube. So let's start. Press back tag. Let's go to YouTube. Okay. Since I heard about community tab, I heard that it's quite good and quick to engage viewers. Okay, and if by any chance that you grant me Yes, records. And write your full name. So I will write my full name. Wendie. Postma. So, yan. Yan siya. And then press send. Since I have already, so I'm not going to send. This is for only Chipotle. Okay. Yun. Then you're going to wait for 3 to 4 days, and then it will just you check your channel, and the community tab is there already, this one. And now you can upload stories. It's easy for the viewers to know your channel, to find your channel. Okay, so yun lang. I'm gonna write the message on the description down below. So yun, it's up to you if you want to copy it or you want to make it more nice. And yes, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye. Also, if you want to do it in your mobile phone, so go to your channel, go to help and feedback. Okay, this one, and send feedback here. Here, click. Oh no. Sorry. Click and then you write the message that I just wrote from the tutorial here in the laptop. Okay, so ganun lang po siya, and wait nga for 3 to 4 5 days, and the community tab is going to enable. That's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.